What up YouTube, it's your boy Deep here. So today I'm back with my another vlog, another weekend, another day, another month, whatever you name it. It's another day. So basically today I'm going out somewhere special new. So guys, you know, whenever I say special new or maybe like special vlog, I end up getting like, you know,
lost.
Yeah. So yeah, like last vlog you saw me like, you know, I didn't even say it early in my vlog, so yeah, I got lost at the end. I was just lost, you know. So basically so for now, if I'm going anywhere, I will just tell it, you know, instead of being mad at the end of the vlog, you know, getting lost.
He's going camping.
Yeah, so basically I'm going camping. It's my first time going camping. and I'm going camping with 3 fellas. So basically one of my friend, he came from Philippines and like he was in quarantine for 14 days. As you know, COVID-19 is going crazy, it's going out of the hands. So
the weirdest thing is he's 20 right now. He's gonna be 21 and it's gonna be his first time going camping.
Yeah, so
like what the hell?
This is my first time ever I'm going camping with my fellows. So no, one of my friends, he knows how to go camping. He been there last week, so I'm going with him as well. So yeah, it's gonna be new thing, new fun, you know, new fun moments, and it's gonna be dope ass videos. Oh, sorry, vlog. And whenever I say like, you know, dope ass vlog, like see at the end it's gonna be like, guys, I'm lost. I am very lost. Alright, so without further ado, and let's start the vlog. Here's my sister, aka Dia. Dia, the art, you know, she been drawing. Can you show me your skills? Show me your draw. Man, I'm sweating. Look.
It's in the floor. Someone throws my.
Yeah, someone like, she been drawing like PUBG.
Turn around.
If you can see, or she been drawing like, what is this?
In person.
Yeah, she been drawing, you know, she been drawing good.
And you can turn around and see more.
Yeah, this is pirate. Is it pirate? No, this is a man.
A random dude and Joker.
Yeah, this is a Joker.
Like all them does that like
like yeah.
Lie like the stupid song.
Like, you know.
You just look dumb.
Epic. I cook food for my friends. You know, it's everything backed up and.
And follow me on TikTok.
No, there is no TikTok, guys. There is no TikTok. TikTok is banned, fam.
The bike,
banned.
there's an app called Bike that is exactly like.
So right now it's 1:14 and I'm gonna leave the house at 2:30. And
he's not even ready yet. He's just wearing a shirt.
yeah, just you know, I don't need anything, bro. Like, you know, so
you're gonna go with your shorts.
So yeah, let's kill the time. Let's make this vlog really epic. If you haven't checked out my social media, it's gonna be down below. Check it out. And if you wanna check my another IG Instagram, which I take dope ass photos. So if you wanna check out my another IG, it's gonna be down below. And it's a Canon capture where I take photos and all of the things, you know. And yeah, I will try my best to make this vlog really fun and you know, beautiful. Yeah. So yeah, I will put my friends social medias on description below. You can check that out too. And yeah, I'm all gassed up. I'm really hyped up for the camping. It's gonna be one night, yeah, basically one night. So yeah, I've been going through with a lot of things past few days, and yeah, because of that, fun too. You know, no matter what you've been going through, you gotta have fun. So yeah, I'm giving myself, I'm allowing myself to be going on adventure with my fellows. So yeah, see you on the other side, and I'll be get ready, and yeah, I'll vlog when I'm there. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. Feel free to subscribe. Alright guys, I'm on my way to meet my friends. Look at me, I'm all packed, but it's freaking hot. And yeah, see you in a bit. Peace. So before we start our day, we're gonna eat, like, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna eat, and yeah, we are hungry. Obviously, we didn't eat anything. So this is the guy who came out from the quarantine. quarantine. So we're gonna enjoy the food now. We are currently in the Jordan right now, and then we are waiting for one of our friend as well. Here is the Patrick, aka Quavo.
Yo, Donald Trump, if you're listening, bro. I'm a big fan. No, fuck you, man. Fuck Trump, man.
Yo, what about?
You like this? This type of shit? Like one of these and...
Nah, how? Oh, we should get this, bro.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
We should get this because you know why? This is good, bro. What about the big ass?
You don't want these though. Oh, this is...
That's the original one. We're now heading to the camping.
We're going to Bali, bro. We're heading to Bali, man.
We are heading to Bali. So we are waiting for our vehicle. Just here, man. Just wait.
I think guys everywhere were looking at us, man.
Yeah, man.
Who are these people getting foods in coronavirus, man?
And yeah, finally, the plan was supposed to go at 5, but currently right now it's 6:34.
This guy's face why?
Yeah, man, look, sweating as hell. But yeah, we are waiting for our transportation. Yeah, let's start the days. I mean, like it's already noon, so what can we say? But yeah, let's go.
Wait, you see video in Facebook where I play football and the stranger tried to steal it from me, man. I'm gonna do it now, bro.
Really?
I'm just
Pana with random people.
be random.
Where's the Uber though?
Coming, bro. So yeah. 5 minutes. That's not the Uber, bro. So yeah, it's coming. So we already packed. We all are set. This is the camp tent, everything, you know. The night is still young, you know. The night's still young, bro.
Wait, but whose birthday is the closest? Is it yours?
Nah,
Yes, man.
mine.
So this is advance happy birthday.
Nah. I ain't taking that, bro. I ain't taking
Bro,
that,
this
so.
is for you, man. We're doing this for you, bro.
Nah. I ain't
Advance
taking
happy
that.
birthday, son.
So we are in the Uber right now. We are heading to where are we heading?
Bali.
No, man, it's not Bali. We are heading to Sai-Kung, and from there we're gonna take another taxi. So and plane and private jet. You know, we book a private jet there. So yeah, it's gonna be epic. It's already 7.
How long is it gonna take to...
I think it's half an hour. So yeah.
I'll go to the boat.
What?
Thank you, sir. Welcome. Do anything left?
We can take taxi.
Guys. Alright, so guys. Oh, there. Alright, guys. So we are here in the Sai-Kung, and yeah, we're gonna take the taxi, like I said earlier. Yeah, man. Thanks. I'm excited for this, but I'm really mad for one reason, because it's dark, and our plan was to reach at Sai-Kung at least like 6, but like I said, man, plan doesn't work out. My brother went to eat because he's starving right now. Look what we got, man. We got bowl, we got some dry food, drinks, camping bags, and some clothes, and food, cooked food, and then camera equipment, some entertainments. You know, we are prepared well, and yeah. So we won't get bored just for one night though. Anyway, it does look like, see.
Wait, I got you, fam.
Okay. It does look like we are going for a big one adventure. So it's not, okay. It's not. It's only for one day, one night, and it's pretty hot, but right now it's okay. Alright, guys.
This is actually good, man. It's so
Yeah.
damn cheap, son.
So as you know, I can't swim, so I got myself a life jacket, and we got ourselves. Nah, man.
Oh, good
And-
job, bro.
And I got for ourselves ice. What is this?
Ice box, son.
The ice box to keep, you know, a cold drinks because it's kind of summer. So yeah.
Bro, close the door, man.
We are getting on taxi now.
Wait. Fuck these guys.
I forgot about you. I'm funny to do it, bro.
All right, guys. So we are here in taxi.
Bro, can you clean up?
Oh, almost about to crash.
And the water like this.
We can turn on the light though. No? Yes?
No, man.
Alright.
Don't, man. This is not your.
Alright, cool guys. Alright, so
Man, I can
You're
see.
must too, man.
so we are heading to our now final destination
And you
and
know where?
yo, there's no bank?
This is it's like this, bro.
This is so
Wait,
scary.
don't, man.
This is so scary, man.
See, this is. Bro, this is nothing, man. We're going inside forest now.
What?
Yeah, we're going inside forest, man.
Man, this does look scary as
I
my
know, man. I told you to. We'll have one light, right?
god damn son. Can't even see nothing.
We'll have one light. Man, this is my first time experience, man.
Man, same. What time did you go last time?
It's so dark, huh?
What is the price?
Price what you want,
Alright guys, so we are here in the place where we gonna actually going for the camping. And yo, how long is the track
Track?
from here to
Show
there?
this shit, man. Show this shit.
Yeah, sit there, man.
It's 3.5 hours, 3-4 hours. Yeah, man.
Wait.
I'm start feeling dizzy right there, man, because of the light. But there's no choice, man. If there's no light, see, nothing, right?
I know, man.
But yeah, this is what we got. This is the light we got, man. And we have one extra light with my friends. But wait. So yeah, man. See, I wanted to come early, but
Yo, I feel like I want to take a shit right now, man.
really? Alright guys, so yeah, we have been gone through with a lot of steps, and now we are here on this place. We are chilling a bit, and then we're gonna go that way, as you see, that way, and it's still halfway to go. But yeah, man, I told you guys, man, to come early, man.
It's just 20 minutes, man, to be here, man. Come on, man. Just 10 more minutes.
Look at my sweat, bro. It's like a juice. Man, I hear the mosquito. The mosquito. Alright, so I'll keep you update, and look at my face. It's gone.
I didn't
go.
prepare for this, man.
Same, bro. Who hike with the shorts on, man?
Actually, you know, this is a good hike because it's flat.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's not the same
But like,
size, you know.
that's why I told you guys to hike today, man. See, imagine we're going up tomorrow, man.
So yeah, this is the food.
Yo,
Especially you, bro.
So this is the food.
we could have done this, right? Puspan, we three, we could have went like early morning,
Uh-huh.
and Puspan could come university at afternoon and come back here, man.
Bro, nah, no, see, he gonna be like, yo, can someone come and pick up, you know? Nah, man. That's why he was saying, you guys go first, I will come. You know, he was saying that. See?
Can you do that by yourself?
I know, man.
Like, fuck.
I was
Maybe
just like-
you come pick me up, man.
A few moments later.
Not only two can do this, man. Really, it was like 4 people doing this, man. First time. Really.
So right now is.
Man, you fix this, man. I'll be the one.
No, it's just funny, bro. The way you guys are fixing it.
Bro.
What is it?
Alright guys, so we are here at the back of the camping site. Wanna check it out? Let's go.
We're caught deep in the eye of the storm. Every battle's been lost or won.
We just had a good dinner. If you can't see me, I'm gonna go underneath. We had a good dinner and we are playing good songs, you know, match with the vibes. Yeah, that's how, sorry, that's how our night's gonna be long. Yeah, man. Oh, it's alright. Yo, how was the night though?
Even when you're gone, 'cause
Fire,
How about you, bro?
I'm out of words, bro.
Same, man. Like this is my first time, and then look, man, it's going really good, you know. Yo, there's a freaking helicopter coming, bro. There's a helicopter. Oh fuck! Oh shit! Yo! What the fuck? Yo! This shit is... What the fuck is that, man? Like...
Fuck, man.
Like, you know, the worst thing of my life, like, listen.
Man, it's so messy.
Whenever I vlog, right? Whenever like, let's just say I'm going out with my boys, it's a failure, man. I'm tired of saying this call as a failure vlog. It's just because, like, you know, every time I go somewhere, either way it's gonna be fail, or either way it's going to be failure vlog, or, you know, mess. So yeah, man. See, like I said, like, the days are getting tough. It's all about you know, finding out how to make yourself have fun. So see, man, and yeah, I feel really bad right now, like, you know. See, every time I make vlogs or whatever is it, it's all about failures, man. Which we were literally having so much fun right there, and people like coming and saying. So yo, just right now, police came in, and then like a fire department came in. So he was asking, "Is everyone's all right?" I said, "Yeah, we are." "How many people are there?" "Yeah, there is Popo, man." And then like, we say we are 3 of us, and then like. So I asked them, what was the reason behind why you guys are landing helicopter off middle of nowhere? And he said that there was a person who was drowning, who was like swimming and get drowned. That's why. I was like, what? So when I reached here, I saw people, like, you know, diving and shit like that, but I don't think so they are. But
Oh no, the water bag. Ice bag and
but yeah, man, like, this is so bad and sad and mad and upset and depressed, everything, you name it, all emotional right now. I'm going through, and my friends too. So everything we do, it's just a failure.
Man, why did he put this?
Confirm.
Yesterday night was nightmare. I kind of feel sleepy now. But yeah, what it is what it is, man. So good morning to everyone. Let's start the day, man. Let's start this beautiful day, man. For real. Just playing PUBG right every night. And this is our tent, basically. And as you can see, I'm doing time lapse of that. So I must pray the video is gonna be good. And yeah, man, there I bought the food, everything destroyed. Yeah, good. So yeah, man, look at the place anyway. Yeah. See you in a bit. I guess, guys, we are going back now. Oh man, I'm so tired, bro. Oh man, I'll leave it.
Being here, man, like,
Alright folks, we are here at Saikong where we were yesterday, and as you can see by the condition and of ours, we are done. No, we are done now.
fucked up.
Yeah.
I said for you, dog.
And everyone is exhausted, like, yeah, man. See,
Wait, let's find
the reality comes now, man. The reality hits up right here. From once we step on these, boom, the reality hits on. So I guess, yeah, man. So now we're gonna go get freshed up and get some drinks, and we're gonna get food for us, especially, you know. We are hungry as shit. Yeah, man, hungry. All right, see you in a bit. Alright, so we're gonna eat pisano. How you call that? Paisano. And yeah, I don't know, I'm just lazy, man. I feel so bored, so we're gonna just dig in it right there.
No food.
Alright, now guys, we are planning to go home now. This is too much. No, we are suffering so badly. So yeah. Yeah, man.